Okay, so this is slightly annoying. Hi everybody. So I was filming this video and my memory card is just like, I just need to throw out this one memory card, which I'm probably gonna do after this video is done because like I think it's not capturing all of the stuff that I just filmed. I'm annoyed, but whatever. So my last video was a Magic Mixies Pixling video. And in that video I said that I don't think I'm gonna pick up another one of these. And then I picked up another one of these because they came out with one that didn't have molded on clothes. And I was just like, oh, that sounds pretty cool. So this one's like kind of a leveled up, I guess, Magic Mixies Pixling. It's the Wynter doll. I got it from Target. I think it was a Target exclusive. I probably won't buy another one of these unless they make one that's like jointed or something. Can we get a jointed one? Like a fully jointed one? That'd be great, thanks. But yeah, so I filmed the intro of this video and then I started opening up the package and I don't think my memory card caught it. So I have the package slightly opened up because I was opening it. Yay! Woo! So this is the package it comes in. These dolls have like an excessive amount of packaging, which isn't great for like the environment and stuff. So like this goes in here. Whoa, and then it comes with like clothes because again this has like fabric clothes. Actually the last one I did I used this packaging. Are you just eating elastic, ma'am? No? Jesus. Girl. Cat's just eating elastic. Okay. So what was I even saying? Okay, the last video, the last Magic Mixies Pixling doll. The last Magic Mixies Pixling doll that I opened up, I actually reused the container it came in because it's like really cute and I figured I could use it for storage, and I'll probably do the same exact thing for this one. So yeah. Oh, these dolls are one of the rare occasions for dolls where I think the artwork looks like the doll. Like it's pretty spot on. I feel like a lot of the time like the artwork kind of looks cooler than the doll, or the doll looks cooler than the artwork, but this artwork is like exactly what these dolls look like, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, again, this is a more leveled up version of the Magic Mixies Pixlings, so she has not molded on clothes, still has the same exact amount of jointing and everything, but not molded on clothes. So we're just gonna open it. I'm gonna do the whole like Magic Mixies Pixling thing where like you mix the potions and like say magic is mixes. It's not my thing, but I think these dolls are made for kids and kids like it. And I fully expect to do this wrong again because I did it wrong the first time. My dog got this ink stuff on her. Is there like more of this stuff? So it comes with this stuff. I don't know if I'm supposed to open this stuff first or open up her fashions first. There's like instructions, so I guess I'll just try to follow them. These are the instructions. So we are going to pour the Pixling Pewe Iniki into here, I think. So we're gonna cut off the top, number 2, and we're gonna be pouring it into here. And I hate this part. It says to get a plate, but I didn't get a plate. So we're just gonna own whatever happens. It's really hard to not get all this like dye stuff on the doll, or at least it's really hard for me. I don't know, I might be an idiot. It's a possibility. Let's pour this in. Oh no. Is it done? Okay. So, wow. Fun, okay. Fill potion bottle to line with water. So the line is, where's the line? Here, and I have this much water and it's definitely not enough, so we're probably gonna have to go get more. But I'm gonna pour this into it. Maybe it'll be enough. Probably not though. So this is like my crappy paint cup, so don't judge how dirty this cup is. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna probably need more water. Yep. Okay. I need like double the amount of water, so let's go get more water. No, no. Oh no. I'm just spilling water. Okay, I'm at the line. Okay, thank God. Okay, so we're at the line. Chaos. This is chaos. Sprinkle in magic snowflakes. Which one did? Number 4. Okay, this is number 4. These are our magic snowflakes. Duh. We're gonna sprinkle these in. So we're gonna cut off the top. Did I probably cut the... Why do I always do this? I always cut this, like, the thing that's on the inside. Yeah, cut the magic snowflakes. Oh, okay. Alright, so we got 3 tiny little magic snowflakes. And we're going to put them inside. Wow. Gorge. Okay, cool. That was easy enough. Add a bunny charm. Excuse me? Okay, so sprinkle magic snowflakes. Pour in your Pixling magic elixir. That's number 5. This stresses me out so much. Okay, so this is number 5. It's more liquid. I hate this part. I think I can tell why I'm getting it on the doll. Let's try to wipe this, because so this is why it gets on the doll. It's getting in this part. Like there's like a little kind of hole or like line right here, and it's getting onto the doll. And I know it's gonna be on the doll now, so yay. But it's so easy to get it on the doll, because like you literally squirt a little bit out from the hole and it gets on the doll. Does that make sense? I feel like this is a packaging flaw. All right, Magic Mixies. Add bunny charm number 6. These are bunny charm. Is she a bunny? I didn't even know. She's a bunny, y'all. That's cute. So we're gonna cut the top off. Hopefully I don't cut the bunny charm. I'm sure I'm gonna cut the bunny charm. Should I cut the bunny charm? Maybe a smidge. Oh. I think it's just so funny that these are literally just like printed out pieces of paper. This is her bunny charm. It's actually really cute. It's a really cute like little drawing of a bunny. This goes in here, right? Add a bunny charm. Lit. Okay. Remove the ring to reveal the magic words. And it's going to be Magicus Mixus or whatever the hell. So this is the ring on the back. A. Magicus Mixus. Cool. Turn the crystal gem until it stops. Done. Say the word Magicus Mixus, push down hard twice on the crystal gem, release and wait a minute for the magic to turn potion clear. It's probably not gonna turn clear because last time I didn't, but you just push down hard twice. So Magicus Mixus. Is it doing anything? It's the same as it was last time. Maybe I do it again. Why am I so bad at these? So I think, okay, so there's 2 parts of this. It's this, where the doll is, and then it's this, where you fill a bowl with water and put these things inside of them, which I believe are her clothes. Or to be honest, I don't even know what these are, but we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get the doll out. Okay, so here's the things. It says separate each of them. So there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do this one first. Let's just use my scissors. Oh! Oh! It's disintegrating! Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. I would literally had no expectations. I had no idea what was happening. Okay, there's clothes in here. Alright, so here's one of her clothes. That's kind of cool. I think. It's kind of cool. This is like the only part that I like about this. Everything else just stresses me out. Oh. Wait, where is it? Where is you? What did I just... Oh, there's a wand in here. Okay. Oh, that's... Oh, okay. It's like kind of like a magical girl wand a little bit, but why is it bent all funny? It's a wand and has little bunny ears. This is giving magical girl, which I'm so into. Okay, last but not least is C. This water is kind of gross. It just has like trash in it, or what looks like trash. Okay. And then this is like a little hairband. Cool. All right, let's open this stuff up. Maybe I'll just put the trash inside the bowl. Oh, it's fuzzy! So cute! Oh my god, okay. And then we'll open this one. This one just looks like a cape. Yeah, literally a cape. Oh, that's really cute actually. Okay. I'm kind of digging this. I'm kind of digging it. And then her wand. Let's get the doll out. This is so stressful. Okay. Ugh. So here's the doll. Fully expect to get this blue dye stuff on things. Jesus Christ, okay. Oh, here she is. And she got blue all over her dress. That's really great. Awesome. I'm gonna show like a close-up of her. But here she is right out of the thing. She's very cute. So body-wise, I'm not super into it. I think I'm gonna probably be rebodying this like head onto like probably a Cave Club body. And maybe I'll paint either the head, the color of the body or something. This just looks a little, I don't know, the proportions just look kind of weird to me. And then also like it'd be cool if she had jointed knees, but she just doesn't. So that's what their bodies look like. Her hair feels pretty like not great. I don't know what type of hair it is. Maybe it's because it has like tinsel in it and stuff. If I remember correctly, the other one I have, I think the hair was like pretty nice. So this hair just, like it's pretty. Like I like all the sparkles. But, and it looks like pretty thickly rooted. It's just like the quality is like not very soft. Here she is, some stuff I guess. Her cape thing like broke when I was trying to put her arm in it, so it's kind of cheaply made, which isn't fun. I'm noticing that this doll has a little bit more movement. So I pulled out this one too. I'm also curious if they have like the same face mold. I'm not really sure. Don't fall, please. I don't have stands that are big enough for you to. Let me move them over. Look at, oh my god. Hold on. Oh. Oh god. Alright, well, you know what? There we go. Okay, so the white one has more head movement. She has like a ton of head movement. Gosh, this is so hard to do on this table. Like, she has, like, all the head movement. This doll has, like, barely any. I think she just goes... Yeah, she does... Well, no, actually, she has head movement, too. Hold on. Let me see. I feel like hers is a little bit more smooth as compared to this one. But, yeah. Let me move the wand out of her face. So, I think they have the same... I'm a little unsure if they have the same face mold. I think they have the same face mold and this one is just painted a little bit differently. I feel like the screening on this one looks better. Like this one looks a little bit fuzzy. I don't know if that's because she's like just pure white or what it is, but I'd say the screening on this one just looks a little bit better. It's kind of weird because like I appreciate that the Wynter doll has like doesn't have molded on clothes and stuff like that. But I feel like the deer doll has more of like a presence a little bit. Like it looks like more of a finalized character than the Wynter doll does. But with that being said, I hate molded on clothes. Kind of like that this one does not have molded on clothes, but the clothes that she has seem really cheap and her hair seems really cheap compared to like the deer doll. So yeah, I think there was like a little bit of a price difference between these two dolls. Like I think like maybe $5. And I assume that went to like her, you know, fabric clothing and stuff. But the fabric clothing is a little bit like, meh. like there's not a lot to be desired there. Yeah, it's kind of weird because I feel like with the deer doll, like I feel like the deer doll just has more of a presence than the Wynter doll does. Like that looks like more of a finalized character that's like very thought out rather than the Wynter doll. But I do love, and like the hair quality on the deer doll is like way better than the Wynter doll. The face screening also looks a little bit better. But I do like that the Wynter doll doesn't have molded on clothes because I hate that shit. So I just wanted to do like a little comparison between the two of them because I have two of them. I saw Sark, if you guys don't know their work. I'll link it down in the description box. They painted one of these recently and it was pretty stinking cute, and like they showed the face mold and everything, so that was really cool to see. Well, I definitely want to paint one of these. I don't know which one yet, but one of them. If you guys picked up any of these like Magic Mixies, let me know what you think about them. If you picked up the Wynter one, let me know what you think about her. I'm excited to see like more of these dolls. I guess I really hope that they come out with some sort of jointed line, or maybe like a leveled up line of this that has joints, because I think that they look so cool. Like their faces are so cool. Their art is so cool. There's just a lot of potential here. So like this video if you like this video, subscribe, it makes me happy, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Bye.